Welcome to Ariel Dotson channel. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's crucial for many aspiring students in the United States: securing a student loan. Whether you're heading off to college or pursuing a graduate degree, understanding the ins and outs of student loans is essential. In this video, we'll break down the process into simple steps and provide you with valuable insights on how to get a student loan in the USA. Understand the basics. The first step is to grasp the fundamentals. Student loans are financial aid options that help cover the costs of education, including tuition, books, and living expenses. Types of student loans. There are two primary types of student loans in the USA: federal loans and private loans. Federal student loans start with federal loans, which are backed by the government and offer various repayment plans and benefits. To apply for federal loans, complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, FAFSA. Fill out the FAFSA. Filling out the FAFSA accurately and on time is crucial. It determines your eligibility for federal aid programs, including grants and loans, research grants, and scholarships. Before relying solely on loans, explore grants and scholarships. These do not require repayment and can significantly reduce your overall college expenses. Review loan types. Understand the different federal loan programs available, such as direct subsidized loans, direct unsubsidized loans, and PLUS loans. Loan limits. Be aware of the maximum loan amounts you can borrow each academic year, as they vary depending on your academic level and dependency status. Interest rates. Federal loans have fixed interest rates, while private loans often have variable rates. Know the interest rates associated with your loans. Master Promissory Note, MPN. If you're taking out federal loans, complete the MPN, which is a legal document that outlines your loan terms and responsibilities. Entrance counseling. Federal loan borrowers are typically required to complete entrance counseling, which educates you about loan terms and repayment. Private student loans. If federal loans don't cover your expenses, consider private student loans from banks or credit unions. Shop around for the best interest rates and terms. Compare lenders. When considering private loans, compare lenders to find the best deal. Pay attention to interest rates, fees, and repayment options. Credit check. Private lenders may require a credit check or cosigner if you have limited credit history. Loan application. Complete the loan application, providing accurate information about your financial situation and school details. Loan approval. After applying for federal or private loans, you'll receive a loan approval notification. Review. Loan terms. Carefully review the loan terms and conditions before accepting the offer. Loan disbursement. Funds are typically sent directly to your school to cover tuition and fees. Any remaining funds can be used for other educational expenses. Repayment plans. Understand the various repayment plans available for federal loans, such as income-driven repayment plans and standard repayment plans. Grace period. Federal loans often have a grace period after graduation before repayment begins. Use this time to prepare your finances. Managing debt. Learn how to manage your student loan debt wisely, including budgeting and making on-time payments. Loan forgiveness and repayment assistance. Research federal programs like Public Service, Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, and Teacher Loan Forgiveness, which can help reduce or forgive your federal loan balance if you meet certain criteria. Loan consolidation. Consider federal loan consolidation to combine multiple federal loans into one, simplifying your repayment process. Credit score. Be aware that your student loans can impact your credit score, so it's crucial to make timely payments and manage your debt responsibly. Private loan repayment. Private loans typically have shorter grace periods and fewer flexible repayment options than federal loans, so plan your finances accordingly. Interest subsidy. If you have subsidized federal loans, remember that the government pays the interest while you're in school, which can save you money in the long run. Budgeting. Create a realistic budget to manage your finances during school and after graduation. Consider part-time work or internships to supplement your income. Loan servicers. Keep track of your loan servicer, as they are responsible for managing your loan account and providing assistance with repayment plans. Loan Repayment Assistance Programs, LRAPs. Some professions, like healthcare and law, offer LRAPs that help repay student loans in exchange for working in underserved areas or low-paying jobs. Stay informed. Keep up with any changes in federal student loan programs, interest rates, and policies that may affect your loans. Avoid default. Understand the consequences of loan default, which can lead to severe financial consequences, damaged credit, and wage garnishment. Financial literacy. Educate yourself on financial literacy to make informed decisions about your student loans and overall financial future. Seek professional advice. If you're overwhelmed by your student loan options or struggling with repayment, consider seeking advice from a financial counselor or student loan expert. Grace period for private loans. Private loans may or may not offer a grace period after graduation, so check with your lender and be prepared for immediate repayment. Prepayment. Consider making extra payments on your loans when possible to reduce the overall interest you'll pay over the life of the loan. Loan deferment and forbearance. Understand the circumstances in which you can temporarily postpone payments through deferment or forbearance, but be cautious about accruing interest. Keep records. Maintain records of all your loan documents, correspondence, and payments for future reference. Loan discharge. Learn about situations where your federal loans may be discharged, such as total and permanent disability or school closure. Emergency funds. While student loans are essential, also work on building an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses without going further into debt. Consolidation versus refinancing. Differentiate between federal loan consolidation and private loan refinancing to choose the right option for your circumstances. Graduate with a plan. Before graduating, have a clear plan for how you'll manage your student loan payments, including setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Tax benefits. Familiarize yourself with potential tax benefits related to student loans, such as the student loan interest deduction, which can help reduce your tax liability. Loan servicing companies. Learn about the various loan servicing companies that manage federal student loans and how to contact them for assistance. Repayment strategies. Explore different repayment strategies, such as the snowball or avalanche methods, to pay off your student loans more efficiently. Loan refinancing. Consider private loan refinancing if you have a good credit score and want to potentially secure a lower interest rate, although it may come with trade-offs, like losing federal loan benefits. Loan counseling. Take advantage of loan counseling services offered by your school's financial aid office or online resources to better understand your loan options. Loan repayment apps. There are apps available that can help you track and manage your student loan payments and overall finances. Loan exit counseling. Federal loan borrowers are required to complete exit counseling before graduating or leaving school to understand their rights and responsibilities regarding loan repayment. Loan discharge due to school closure. Know your options if your school closes while you're enrolled or shortly after you've withdrawn. Regularly check loan status. Periodically check your loan status and balances, especially if you have multiple loans or have been in school for several years. Online resources. Keep up with the latest information on student loans by visiting official government websites. reputable financial education websites, and forums where you can ask questions and share experiences with others in similar situations. Loan disbursement timing. Understand when your loans will be disbursed. They are typically split into 2 equal payments for each academic term. Work-study programs. Explore federal work-study programs that provide part-time job opportunities for students, allowing you to earn money to cover your educational expenses. Loan repayment terms. Be aware of the length of your loan repayment term, as it can vary depending on the type of loan you have. Loan forgiveness for public service. If you work in a qualifying public service job, consider the Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) program, which forgives remaining loan balances after 10 years of qualifying payments. Loan rehabilitation. If you default on your federal loans, loan rehabilitation programs can help you get back on track by making a series of on-time payments. Private loan cosigners. If you need a cosigner for a private student loan, ensure they understand the responsibilities and potential risks involved. Loan repayment calculators. Utilize online loan repayment calculators to estimate your monthly payments and total repayment amounts for different loan scenarios. Postponing payments with deferment. Explore the possibility of loan deferment during circumstances like unemployment, economic hardship, or returning to school for further education. Loan counseling for borrowers. Federal loan borrowers are often required to complete loan counseling sessions periodically, such as entrance counseling before borrowing and exit counseling upon graduation. Loan terms for international students. International students studying in the USA may have limited access to federal loans and should investigate alternative funding options, such as scholarships and international student loans. Remember that responsible borrowing and financial planning are key to successfully managing your student loans. Each person's financial situation is unique, so it's important to tailor your approach to your specific needs and goals. If you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments section or by contacting your school's financial aid office. Thanks for being part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.